Welcome to the RV Homestead. Hey, we really appreciate you stopping by. And of course, you got here just in time. And as you can see, we're actually not at the homestead. We're still trying to get things sorted out so we can get down there on a permanent basis. But that's not gonna keep us from eating, and I gotta eat. So I've been doing some studying, and I've decided that the next Dutch oven dish, camp oven dish, I got a hankering for some chicken, Cordon Bleu, which is French for blue ribbon. So we're gonna cook some blue ribbon chicken. I've studied several YouTube Dutch oven cooking channels, and I'm kind of leaning towards Cowboy Kent Rollins' technique. That way I don't have to do any hammering. I don't have to beat my meat, if you know what I mean. So I'm gonna kind of follow what he did, but I'm gonna put a Dude RV spin on it. First thing we gotta do is we gotta heat up the Dutch oven, and I'm gonna use the lid to brown the panko crumbs. So let me get some charcoal going, and we're gonna make some Cordon Bleu, toasted panko crumbs. Now, I don't have any spray butter. I actually don't have any butter at all, but I got this faux butter. Supposed to be good for your cholesterol, so I don't know. 1 cup of panko crumbs. I have like 6 charcoal briquettes under there. So we're at 320 degrees right now. I think that's, we're starting to turn brown. It's been about 10 minutes because I started with a cold cast iron, or not cold, but room temperature. And my briquettes were not fully involved. We're getting hot now. We're looking for a uniform golden brown. We're ready to pull the breadcrumbs and go finish our prep inside. So now that the oven is heated up, we're just going to go ahead and keep warming it up. So Cordon Bleu typically has Swiss cheese in it. I'm gonna change it up a little bit. I'm gonna put some grass-fed Irish whiskey cheddar as well as a bit of Swiss. So I got some Swiss, and then a nice big chunk of whiskey cheddar. This is a Smithfield ham, sliced fairly thin. And we're gonna spice it up a little bit. I haven't seen anyone do this, but we're gonna add a jalapeno to the mix. It's gonna be a Southwest style Cordon Blue. Gonna be a cordon, whoo! We're gonna devein that. When you're working with jalapenos, don't touch your face or any other part of your anatomy. All right, ready for some birds. We're still kind of frozen. So now we're going to just roll up that ham. It would help if my chicken wasn't frozen. We set it out to thaw, but it just didn't thaw fast enough. Now we're going to coat it with some egg. I say egg. Egg. Yes, we are double yolk. That means it's going to be really tasty. We're going to add in one of my favorite chicken seasonings. If you have not tried this on chicken from Meat Church, this stuff is good, good, good. We'll go ahead and put a little bit on here. Gotta add some cayenne. Got to have cayenne. And just a little, there's not a whole lot of salt in either one of those. And we're gonna add just a tad. not quite big enough. So I added a few more panko crumbs. All right, we're gonna cook it for about 20 minutes. Periodically, I'm gonna rotate the lid and the vessel. I think we're about ready. So I've got the meat pin, the most important tool. Ooh, look at that. Oh man, oh man. Isn't that looking good? got a little whiff of the jalapeno. We're at 161. 160. Yeah, I think we're done. Oh, but best of all, look at all that cheese goodness. Oh, yes. Look at that goodness right there. Time to pull it and taste it. Ooh, and we've got to get that goodness right there. Oh, that's going to be so good. That melted cheese, gooey goodness. Ooh, look at that. That looks so good. The big moment. I need a drum roll. Mmm. It smells so good. I just cannot wait. So the string idea, yeah, not so good, because it ruins my crust. Oh, man, that's so good. A little jalapeno. I feel the heat coming on. That's good stuff. This is that gooey cheese. Oh. Heck yeah. That is good. That is so good. Now, when I do it next time, I'm gonna make sure that when I do it next time, I'm gonna make sure the chicken is 100% thawed, because the refrigerator in the garage, for some reason, doesn't get very low. So we move stuff from the freezer to the refrigerator. It doesn't thaw very fast. So if the chicken had been thawed, it'd have been a little easier to work with. That was the only thing that I didn't do right. This is good stuff right here. You need to try it. I need to go eat it. If this is your first visit to the RV Homestead, thank you. I really appreciate it. If you stayed with me to this point, thank you so much. I never claimed to be a chef. I'm a guy that likes to eat. And this is something that I really want to eat, so I need to go eat. If you enjoyed this video, please click on the thumbs up. Blast me out across your social media, because we need all the help on this channel we can get. So thank you for that. If you've already subscribed and have been following along, we're most honored. Thank you so much. And for my patrons, we are most grateful. You guys rock. All right, y'all come back now, you hear?